First, before you can work smart, you must work hard. The grass is greener where you water it. Third, learn a lesson from the birds. They feed those who cannot fly far. They help and serve each other with no thought of reward. Fourth, in oneself lies the whole world, and if you know how to look and learn, the door is there and the key is in your hand. Fourth, fifth, there is the magnet in your heart that will attract true friends. That magnet is unselfishness, thinking of others first. When you learn to live for others, they will live for you. 6. All of us are pilgrims on this earth. I have been heard it says that the earth itself is a pilgrim in the heavens. 7. One's destination is never a place, but a new ways of seeing things. Thank you.